Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play NFL on Prizepicks. Of course, first things first, you have to register for an account. And if you have a promo code, you can go ahead and use that. And if you don't have one, you can use PrizePay. Okay, use PrizePay. It'll give you $50 instantly when you're signing up. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to verify your identity. So you'll need to provide a valid legal identification before you can go ahead and fund your account. Go ahead and do your deposit. And now this is how you go ahead and play NFL. So you will see on your homepage, just come here, click on board, and click on NFL, and choose whatever game you want to pick. Okay? Pick, and then you can go ahead and choose more or less, on each of the squares in your lineup. You can get them. If you get them right, you will win really big. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, to get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.